I've often been asked this particular question, and this question is Sonia, do I keep uploading every day? What do you think about uploading every day? Do uploading every day will actually destroy my channel, or will it keep building my channel? Now, I am not saying this to counter any YouTuber because I keep saying it on my channel that no matter what any single person do on their channel, it is what is working for them. So the first thing is find out what is working for you. But coming from someone like me that is uploading every day, I will tell you that if you have all of that opportunity to upload every day on your channel, do not waste time. Maximize that time and use it. Now, there are other channels that are also uploading every single day that has crashed down. Now, there are other channels that have also upload every single day that are successful. Let's use the news channel for example, or people that do normal gist updates. Some of them upload even up to 5, 6 to even 10 videos every single day, and they're still getting their views. Now, what did this boil down to? It's simply telling you that as a content creator on YouTube, be it you're uploading every day, be it you're not uploading every day, the most important thing is what kind of content are you bringing down to YouTube? If your content you're bringing down to YouTube has value every single day, YouTube will keep pushing out your content without being biased about it. Now, the mistake a lot of people make is to go ahead and start uploading video every single day without bringing value. If you know me very well on YouTube, I always talk about value because I've seen what value have actually contributed on my YouTube channel. Uploading every day has really helped my growth in subscribers count wise, in watch hour count wise, in my YouTube analysis, in helping the YouTube algorithm also find new persons to push out my videos every single day. For those of you that don't know, every single video you put out here on YouTube, YouTube help you in pushing them out to new audience every single time you upload. So the question is not uploading every day. The question is, what kind of value are you bringing down to YouTube? Is it what people are looking for? Is it what you can actually make money from? Is it having much value that can actually help you to skyrocket your YouTube channel to the next level? That is the question you should ask yourself. If you have the strength and you want to upload every single day on YouTube, please, I advise you, do upload every single day on YouTube, but make sure it is bringing value. Now, if you're very busy and you feel like every single day upload will not do well for you on YouTube, you can go ahead and take a schedule that is good for you. Either you want to be uploading 2 times a week, or you want to be uploading 3 times a week, or you want to be uploading once in a week, or you want to be uploading 2 times in a month, depending on what works for you. The most important thing is, what value am I bringing? Are people searching for my content? If my content is to be ranked on YouTube, where will I fall in? Who are my competitors? Am I really meeting up to what my competitors are doing? What my competitors are doing, will it be able to match up with my own ability as a small content creator, as that content creator that is just starting up on YouTube? Those are important questions you should ask yourself before putting out content here on YouTube. A lot of people have great content here on YouTube, but one thing or two things kill that content, and at the end of the day, YouTube algorithm is not able to recommend those kind of content to your audience. Either you have a great content and your thumbnail has messed up everything, or you have a great content, your description has messed up everything, or you have a good thumbnail and a good description, but your videos has actually messed up everything. As you're watching me, take a post on your channel. Just pause. Look at your channel from beginning to the end. Now look at your competitors' channel. Your competitors, for those ones that don't know, are people that do the same kind of content that you're doing. Are people that bring the same kind of content that you're bringing on YouTube. Are people that are pushing out exactly what you are also doing. In every single person on YouTube, you have a competitor because you have a niche. So don't even come to the comment section and be like, Vibe with Sonia, I am everywhere. You can be everywhere, but if you look down deep, you are centered on a particular thing. Look out for that particular thing you're centered on and check, am I meeting out with my competitors? If someone should search for a particular video like this, will my own videos be popped up on YouTube? Those are questions you ask yourself before coming to YouTube to upload videos. And this is my honest review about uploading videos or not uploading videos every single day on YouTube as a content creator. I will keep telling you, YouTube has gone beyond just coming here to put out content just like that because other people are putting out content. If you feel like your content is really good, you have a very good content and YouTube is not pushing it out, tag me in the comment section. Let me go into your channel and see if truly you have a very great content. We'll be able to come to a realization that that particular thing that is missing, let's come together and fix it. Now, one other mistake that a lot of people are doing is the only thing you just think about is coming to upload video. There's a lot of things a lot of YouTubers do behind the scene. And if you want me to do videos about what I personally do as a content creator, before I go ahead to upload my content here on YouTube, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to do that particular video for you guys. And I hope this video is able to help every single person that have been asking me this same question. Should I upload every day? Should I not upload every day? Oh, this YouTuber said she don't want to upload. Oh, this one said no. Do what best fits you. Do what is best with your schedule. But in doing what is best with your schedule and in doing what is best fit you, make sure you are bringing in value, because the value is every single thing that YouTube is centered on top. Without value, great content, great thumbnail is not going to go anywhere, okay? And keep the consistency coming. Do not give up on your YouTube journey, no matter how difficult you think it is. Just keep pulling out your content. Be it you're not seeing the views now. As far as you know that you are on the right track, just keep being you and keep doing what you know how to do best. Do not copy a particular content creator because you feel like that particular content creator video is going viral. If you want to do similar kind of content with that creator, fine, is understandable, but do not compete with a big content creator. They are already there before you. You should be able to embrace your own little beginning, embrace your starting point, and tell yourself that if this person can actually be here today, I will definitely get there tomorrow. Even as a big content creator, as at this time with 90,000 subscribers, there are still other heights I wish to attain, but I know it is one step at a time. The earlier you realize that, the better for you. I hope this video is able to help every single person out there that is willing to take content creation level to the next level. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. And if you're still struggling with your channel, you don't know what to do, how to do it, and you want to say, oh, Vibe, I want to just take a look at my channel to see what I'm doing, if I'm even on the right way, this is where I personally go into your channel to see what you're doing, what we can minus, what we can add with this email that you're seeing displayed on my screen, fitonaja3195@gmail.com. Send me a mail and thank me later. I hope this video is able to help someone. Like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you. Mwah.